Okay, let me restate that. This right here is a family. It's the family all the way over on the right side of the periodic table. It's the noble gases. As we go down that family, so down the family, what happens to our ionization energy? It goes down, okay? It decreases. Now, look here at these guys. So this was helium, okay? And then down here you've got lithium and beryllium, and let's see if I can get it right this time. Boron and carbon and nitrogen and oxygen and fluorine and then neon. So this right here is a period. So as you're going across a period, what's happening to the ionization energy? It is increasing, okay? All right, I think I have to do some erasing to show you the next. Yeah, I think we've got to erase a little bit here. Okay, so this table is showing you basically the periodic table, and what it's showing you is as you go down a family, okay, the ionization energy decreases. As you go across a period, the ionization energy increases, okay? All right, and then we've got electron affinity, otherwise known as electronegativity. Affinity up here means the ability to attract. It's got an affinity for, it loves electrons. How much does it love electrons? Well, that's what electronegativity tells us. And this is a little bit different, well, it's exactly the opposite of the ionization energy, because in this case we are attracting electrons. Okay, so this is the ability to attract electrons. Now, what do you think? I would say that over on this side of the periodic table, right in here, I would say that these guys aren't really going to want to attract electrons because they want to get rid of electrons. Over here, on the other hand, forget about those noble gases, and you'll notice that their numbers are all 0 because they don't care about anybody but themselves, their nobility. But over here, these guys want to gain an electron to be happy. So immediately you should be able to see a trend. Over here you've got numbers like -73, -60, and -53, okay? Over here you've got numbers like -328, -349, -325. So basically what you find out is the higher the number, and really it's the higher the negative number, okay? The more negative, let's write it that way. Let's write it as the more negative the number, the more electronegative it is. Okay? So if we were going to look at electronegativity, it doesn't have the nicest trend like the other ones, but for the most part, your highest electronegativities are going to be over in this area, okay? And your lowest are going to be over in this area. So it kind of has a trend increasing that way, but if you look at it, you'll notice that it's not a perfect trend, okay? All right, so your next thing to do is to look over your sample problems. And here they come. Be ready tomorrow to go over some problems in class.